Are you still researching business ideas?
Yeah, I'm trying to find something I can learn how to do fast, but I can still make fat stacks.
What about your recliners on wheels idea?
I think it rolled away. I have no idea where it is.
Dang. What about the invisible art gallery?
I don't think the investors saw what I saw.
Shoot, well, what about hanging Christmas lights? My brother did that last year and he made a lot of money.
That's good, but I want something I can do year round. What am I gonna do the rest of the year? Have a lemonade stand?
What about permanent lighting? Yeah, you know, those LED lights you can have installed in your house. They're really popular and you can use them for all holidays year round. And I hear people pay a ton of money to have them put on their home.
Yeah, so what?
Well, I saw an ad for a training that teaches you all the technical skills and marketing techniques you would need to start installing permanent lighting on people's homes.
Cool. How do we sign up?
You just go to lightsatwholesale.com and you can sign up for virtual or in-person training. These guys also provide the lighting system for you to install.
Well, that sounds cool, but surely that can't be as profitable as emotional support rocks.
Supply and demand, buddy. Supply and demand.